Matiliano, catch and shoot. Gugulong palabas. Another offensive rebound by Parañaque. Cosa, Matiliano sa loob. Cruz leaning in. Ayaw pa din. Puts it back. Follow-up is good, plus a foul.
Passing, but clearly against Parañaque tonight, that's not what we're seeing. A couple of offensive rebounds right there.
Cruz, Castro, Terzo, Matiliano, and Sarangay ang magkakasama sa loob for the Patriots. Turnover, Warlo Batak. Switching hands in mid-air, almost got it in. Paulo Castro will not force it up. Terzo left free for a three. Offensive rebound, another one from Parañaque.
And nearest guy to them on a defensive rebound, you have to locate and box out. Nice move by Warlo.
Joseph Terzo, nice pass from Tamayo. Maloles though, masyadong malalim. Couple of pump fakes, no.
Naging lesser, no? After a certain number of games. Strong drive.
Si Cruz kanina pa yan, ha?
Oo.
Matiliano with 8 seconds on the shot clock. Paulo Castro cashing in from the outside. Knocks down a three.
And he's gonna have all that space that he needs to create.
Sumalaksak sa loob si Flores. Supalpal, inabot niya kay Mark Sarangay. Terzo pops out. Coming off a screen, Paulo Castro. Mid-range jumper. Lista mo na.
Isa sa makukuha mo dito kay Paulo.
Flores turns down an open jumper. Sa loob, Jerome Garcia. 8 seconds left on the shot clock of Parañaque. Terzo rejected from behind by Estacio in quarter number 2. Pace has slowed down drastically. Monte, open free, book it.
You know, yun naman talaga ang maasahan mo dito kay Jacob.
Played for Pasay in the preseason. Estacio stealing the pocket.
Of a shot creator and a shot maker. Si Nick Cabañero and Jeff Manday.
Kasama nila dyan sila, I think si Torculas is part of that lineup. And Jello Crisostomo. 40 seconds left. 34-28. Tagana susubok sa tres. Yes! Dalicia. Release pass.
Nice
Hopping
ball.
into the lane. Lester Tamayo will score again.
I love that move by Lester Tamayo. Right through traffic. And then in depensa right here near half court.
Paubos ng oras sa first half. Naagaw pa ni Estacio. This will count and it goes.